We're making basic fluffy pancakes, but with no eggs. You won't miss the eggs. The texture and taste are perfect without them. The ingredient we use to replace the egg is both cheap and healthy. Start by melting 3 tablespoons of butter. You can set it aside. Now we'll mix our dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour to a bowl, followed by 2½ teaspoons of baking powder and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Add a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. The cinnamon is optional. Mix to combine. Now we'll prepare our wet ingredients. Our replacement for the egg? Bananas. Mashed up bananas do the same job as eggs in terms of binding and moisture. They also add a nice natural sweetness. Ripe bananas work best because they're moist and sweet, so you definitely don't need to add sugar. You can mash them to a puree, or you can leave some lumps. You can also use a fork to mash them. Bananas are far cheaper than eggs in most places. We only paid 59 cents a pound for our ripe bananas. Applesauce also works very well in place of the bananas, and we have a video on how to make it. Add the melted butter. Add a cup of milk to the bananas. You can also use a plant-based milk. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla is optional. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk gently. Don't overmix because the pancakes will be too dense. By mixing gently, you end up with light, fluffy pancakes. If you want your pancakes to be thinner, you can add more milk. Let the dough rest for 5 minutes before cooking. Any kind of pan works to make pancakes. We chose cast iron. Turn the pan onto medium-low. Add a little butter to the pan. You can add more each time you add new pancakes if you need to. You can decide how big you want your pancakes to be. We're using 1/3 cup scoop for ours. Our pancakes are quite thick, so we need to shape them a little. On the first side, cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the bottom is golden brown and you can see some bubbles on top. Then flip with a lifter or spatula. This is the golden brown color you're aiming for. The second side will cook more quickly than the first. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We don't just have pancakes for breakfast. They make a perfect snack or side for lunch or supper. Another great thing about banana pancakes is that because they're so moist, you can make them in advance and reheat when you're ready for them. They also freeze really well. We love our pancakes with maple syrup. We also often warm up some frozen blueberries in a pot and pour them on the pancakes with the maple syrup. So delicious. If you liked this video, we think you'll enjoy this one too.